Today, I am going to show you how to create advanced custom frames in Canva. Any shape, any graphic, any design. You can turn anything into a frame. Look at these examples. Let me show you exactly how to do this. Let's get into it. All right, click on the plus icon to create a new design. Choose any size you want. I'll create a custom size, 1080 by 1080 pixels. Now, to create advanced frames, the first thing we need to do is install an app. Go to Apps and search for Frame Maker. This is the app. Click on it to install. This is a very powerful app for creating custom frames in Canva. If you're an old viewer of my channel, you already know this app. I've already made a bunch of tutorials about it. If you're new, this app allows you to create custom frames in Canva. You can watch a detailed tutorial about it on my channel. Today, I'll use their Convert feature to create advanced frames. This is a paid feature, but they do offer a free trial so you can test it out. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you have the trial, the next thing to do is find an object you want to convert into a frame. For example, I'll go to Elements and search for honeycomb. Open Graphics and add this one. Increase its size and center align it. Now let's convert it into a frame. Go back to the app. Under Convert, select Frame and click Continue. In the Frame Area detection, you have three options. For this example, I'll select by transparency because I want to convert the transparent area into a frame. Click Convert Design to Frame. Choose Maximum Size, enable Transparent Background, and click Export. And just like that, the frame is added above the graphic. You can delete the original graphic if you want. Now let's add an image. Just drag and drop it inside. And our beautiful custom honeycomb frame is ready. See how cool that looks? Now let me try another one. Go back to Elements and search for Broken Heart. Choose this one and increase the size. Go back to the app. Again, I want to convert the transparent area. Choose Maximum Size, enable Transparent Background, select the current page, and click Export. And our broken heart frame is ready. Let's add an image inside. You can adjust the image position by double-clicking on it, just like you do with regular Canva frames. Delete the original graphic if you don't need it. And our second frame is done. Now here's something really powerful. You can also create your own design and convert it into a frame. Let me quickly show you how. I'll create a minimal design using basic shapes just to show you the concept. Now go back to the app. In the Frame Area detection, I'll choose by color this time. Select the color from your design that you want to convert into a frame. Click Convert Design to Frame. Choose Maximum Size, enable Transparent Background, select the current page, and click Export. And our frame is created. Now add your image inside and adjust its position. And we are done. And that's how you create advanced custom frames in Canva using any graphic, any shape, or even your own design. The possibilities are truly endless. Honeycomb, broken heart, letters, animals, anything you can find can become a frame. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. See you in the next one.